Fibo were the first company to launch the unique click-lock wall panel system, which we call the Aqualock. When installing wall panels, a bead of sealant is run down the male joint before snapping the two parts together. All joints need to be sealed this way to ensure a fully waterproof system. Any excess sealant can then be wiped away with a Fibo tool and cleaned with sprayer wipes. When adhering the panels to the wall, a wave of adhesive is recommended. You can also choose to add screws at the top, middle and bottom of the panel, which are fixed to the toy and groove guide and remain completely invisible behind the panel. Wall panels are completed with profiles or trims, which are available in both aluminium and PVC options. External and internal corners, a hidden internal corner, J and L shaped finishing strips and base profiles are all available as part of our range.